Perfect.
Yep.
Well, I'll just give a quick introduction. dotData, they've essentially pioneered auto machine learning 2.0. I'm actually curious what that means, so hopefully you'll explain it in your presentation, or I'll definitely ask again in our Q&A. But you essentially help business intelligence professionals to add AI and machine learning models to the BI stack, quickly and easily. Their platform ingests raw business data and uses an AI-based engine to automatically discover meaningful patterns and build machine learning ready feature tables from relational, transactional, temporal, geolocational, and text data. Their automated platform discovers patterns, optimizes machine learning models, and makes it easy to deploy predictive algorithms without impacting operational data. They have been recognized as a leader by Forrester in 2019 in the new wave for auto machine learning platforms. They've also been recognized as the best machine learning platform for 2019 by the AI Breakthrough Award, and was named as an emerging vendor to watch by CRN in the big data space. And they were actually also recently named as the CBI Insights Top 100 AI Startups in 2020. So with that said, I'd like to pass kind of the baton to you. Take it over.
Yeah, thank you, Matt. Actually, you have explained what I'm about to explain, but let me do my best. All right, so good morning, everyone. This is Ryohei, CEO and founder at dotData. So today, in this very, very challenging economic situation, everyone must move from physical to digital, and you have to automate everyday decision-making based on your data. Not only traditional area like a marketing, but all business area need automated intelligent decision making today. And dotData is the AI automation platform that enables you to deliver AI product just in days and realize your automated decision makings with hundreds of AI models. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain what is dotData AI automation and how simple and fast your AI project will be with dotData. So in short, this is a problem we are solving, the conventional AI project at enterprise. AI process starts from collecting data from different business systems, like a traditional data warehouse or data lake, or just a local CSV files in your local laptop. Data is not stored for AI, but you store data for business. That's why when you come to the AI project, you have to unify information from different business systems, cleansing, wrangling, architecting data. Now you have to discover useful data patterns based on your intuition or based on your domain expertise, which is usually called the feature engineering process. Then once data is prepared, you have to carefully tune different machine learning algorithms to achieve the best performance, and then build a predictive dashboard or on your BI stack, or integrate your AI models for automated decision making in your business system. So in summary, this is a very, very lengthy, complex, and manual process. The traditional process often takes months to complete. So enterprise AI project has been never fast enough. And more importantly, only high-skilled data scientists can develop AI models. So you cannot scale the practice, or even many enterprises today still cannot start AI project because they don't have data scientists. So this is how dotData, our AI automation, changes the process. dotData automates the entire process, including collecting data, cleansing, or wrangling data, and even without putting domain expertise. Our AI engine is going to discover useful data patterns and data insight, and give the insight to you. And of course, dotData automatically optimize the machine learning models. Typically, our process takes only a few hours to complete for one iteration. You may want to do a couple of iterations to fine-tune the model, your AI model for the production. That says you can shorten the project turnaround from traditional months to now days. So this is the power of dotData's AI automation. And the way to use dotData is extremely simple and very, very different from traditional AI machine learning platform. First step is nothing fancy. You have to first load the data, drag and drop, or just connect with your database, and you load the data. And then this is, the second step that, our magic happens. Well, basically, you need two things to tell to the machine. First, you have to tell machine like what you want to predict. This is basically your objective. And then you have to specify business tables that you want to use. 10 tables, 20 tables, time series data, text data, geospatial data, whatever data is fine, and how many, many tables you can use it. And in principle, with these two information, in dotData is going to take care of all this heavy lifting process from the beginning to the end. And in a couple of hours, your AI models and data insight are ready to be integrated to your BI dashboard and your business systems. So eventually, we are automating the entire process of AI development and what value then dotData delivers to your business. First value is the speed. You can build a production-ready AI model just within days. And additionally, dotData makes your AI development process more agile and more robust. As you may know, traditional AI development often fail after a lot of upfront effort for wrangling data before seeing the business outcome. But with dotData, you can get the first AI model within hours and show it to your business, and then quickly get the feedback from business to finally adjust your and deliver the result that matters for business. Second value that dotData can deliver is the scale. As you saw, dotData is extremely simple to operate and no technical complexity is required for user to understand. So dotData enables even BI people or analytics team to deliver AI project. You can leverage existing BI analytics team and execute a much more AI project, even without data scientists. So this is a quote from, yep.
Sorry, we're out of time, so
okay.
I'd like to move to a Q&A.
Yep.
If you'd like to connect with dotData, a poll should have popped out, so please mark it as yes if you're interested in connecting with them. Right, for our listeners or viewers, you kind of classify or label yourself as the 2.0 of kind of the auto machine platform. So can you kind of explain, I guess what makes you kind of the next level in auto machine learning platform, and how does it compare to the incumbents like data robots or H2O?
Yeah, that's a great question. So there are many automated machine learning platforms in the market, but all of them are eventually automating the machine learning part of the process. And as we saw this very, very lengthy chart, the core key of the machine learning project is not actually which machine learning algorithm or how to tune machine learning. However, we have to input the meaningful data and the meaningful, patterns to the machine learning. And this is a heavy lifting part of, all machine learning AI project. And dotData, why we are very different, because we are the only platform that can automate this 80% of the part of the process using our AI engine.
And then we have a question, data cleansing is tough work because query formats are different for database. How do you shorten this process? And do you need training for cleansing?
No, this part is basically why we are very different, right? So basically we are automation platform, and we do not require a lot of, for example, data cleansing operation on top of our GUI. But our engine is going to understand how your data looks like and automatically perform these data cleansing work for users.
All right, thanks, Ryan. That's all the questions we have.
Yeah, thank you.